And welcome to another episode of Slightly Inebriated Hotel Room Tours. I'm joined on this trip by Rufus, who's currently in the closet eating chicken fingers. Hello, Rufus.
Chicken.
And Dominic, who is not participating in the Slightly Inebriated Room Tour section. So we are here at the Alton Towers Resort, staying in the Alton Towers Hotel. This is our second trip this year after previously staying at the Woodland Lodges, which is really nice, so we've come back for another one. So the room will sleep 4 people. We have 2 bunk beds for the kids, so Rufus now has an awesome choice of whether to go on the top or on the bottom. We have a double bed for myself and Dominic. Windows that open, that's always handy when you want to open a window. A heater, and as we were up north, it was absolutely blasting the heat out. Clearly, there's a small seating area, small little table, which by the looks of it is fresh out of the 90s, a bit like the decor in here. But hey, it's whimsical, it's quirky, and it's got a little bit of charm about it. The room does have a nice desk area with complimentary tea and coffee facilities. I mean, let's face it, who's going to pay 50p for a cup of Nescafe? But they are there, along with Rufus and mine's caramel lattes for the morning. There is a small flat screen TV. I'm guessing that's showing mainly Northern TV, so we won't be watching that. There's a lamp, because let's face it, everyone needs light. And if we walk through into this area, you will find... shock horror, it's a bathroom. Yes, this room comes with a bathroom. I think these have actually been done up since the hotel was built because they don't really fit the style of the rest of the room, but they look fresh, they look clean, they look modern. Unfortunately, all towers don't do their own toiletries anymore, which is a shame because that was a nice little branding. Okay, zoom in a little bit more. A nice little branding tip. It's a bath with a shower over it, a toilet, because, well, every hotel room should have a toilet. I'm now going to pass you over to Rufus. Rufus is going to give you a tour of the art in the room. Rufus, over to you.
Hang on. So there's a picture of some guy and some chef in a car. It doesn't look very safe. Look, everyone looks like they're gonna fall out.
Yeah, I think health and safety might have a thing to say about that.
That is my favourite roller coaster at Alton Towers there. That's better than Nemesis there.
It's the coasting roller.
What? That is the thing in the I don't know what it's called.
The thing in that, I don't know what it's called. I think he's referring to the sculpture that's in the hotel's lobby.
That's the same one, but it's a toilet on it.
Everyone needs a toilet from time to time.
And that's the same one with crocodile.
So there we go, a really thorough review from Rufus reviewing the art inside the Alton Towers Hotel. Well, thank you once again for joining us for another Slightly Inebriated Hotel Room Tour. Join us again in a few weeks where we will be in Athens, and I'm guessing we will be a lot more inebriated. Good night.
Without